Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings us to Pendleton, South Carolina. And I have on camera this morning my youngest granddaughter, Ren. Say hey, Ren.
Hi.
We are here at Pendleton to view the Tanglewood ruins. Tanglewood was built back in the early 1800s, and we are here to see what is left. And you get to come with us. And we'll get started right after this station identification. Tanglewood Mansion. This property was the site of a private residence as early as the 1830s. In 1860, John Bayless Earl Sloan and his wife, Molly Seaborn Sloan, established a home that became known as Tanglewood. The columns and the ruins seen today are all that remain of the site, which was first destroyed by fire in 1908. It was a Piedmont plantation style house resting on tall piers and having large rooms. The family rebuilt the home as a classical colonial mansion in 1910, reusing the columns of the new portico. Tanglewood stayed in the Sloan family for many years until it was sold in the 1950s. The building again burned to the ground in 1970 and has since remained as we see it today. I can tell this is probably where a boiler would have been in the basement. Of course, the smokestack is gone. You see where the pipe went up and tied in. That is probably something that would have been added in the late 1800s, early 1900s before it burned. And that is all that's left of a old cast iron sink. This little stone building here, back corner of the house, was a pump house. If you look right there, that was the well itself. Let's walk around to the other side and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and it may make a little more sense to you. Okay, here we go. This is the top part of the pump. You can see that hole where it's kind of like an oil well, pumping the water up and down as the wheel, which was probably belt driven, sat right there. Perhaps a electric driven motor connected with a belt that would in turn turn this, and that would operate the pump to pump up and down to pump water pressure into the house. I hope y'all have enjoyed our trip to Pendleton, South Carolina to view the ruins of the Tanglewood Mansion. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until next time,
have a good day.
Yeah, like she said.